Presley, the principal here at Alice Drive Middle, and I'd like to welcome you to our open house. And we hate we can't be in person this year because of our COVID numbers, but we wanted to introduce you to our staff and some of the teachers on your child's team. Come on and join us.
Hi, my name is Eric Masaitis, and I am one of the assistant principals. My favorite thing to do here at school is to get into classrooms to observe our teachers teaching and students learning. And the goal here is to provide feedback so that everybody can get better and grow into the best version of themselves. But as an assistant principal, we wear many different hats here at school. So I could be working with disciplinary referrals, I could be providing supervision at different areas around the school, I could be making incentives for our students to help motivate them to become even better at what they do. We all are in this together, and all the administrators will all work together as a team. So if you need anything, you could reach out to any of us, and we just hope that this video provides something for everyone and you can feel just a little bit better for the rest of this school year. We know we can be successful together.
Good morning. I'm Mr. Fair, one of the administrators here at Alice Drive Middle School. I just want to say welcome to our open house. Like I said, I'm Mr. Fair, one of the administrators at Alice Drive Middle School. I deal mostly with boys discipline, but we do it all here. So whenever you need to reach out to me, please give me a call at 803-775-0821, extension 131. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.
Hi Hawks family, this is Dr. Thomas. This is my 12th year working in middle school, my first year here at Alice Drive Middle as assistant principal, and I'm very excited to be here this year and get this school year started.
Hello, I'm Ms. Brown, the lead here in the guidance department at Alice Drive. We are looking forward to a great school year. Parents, please be on the lookout for your parent portal information next week, so that way you'll be able to keep up with your students' progress. Then if you need to set up a conference, please feel free to give our guidance secretary a call at extension 110. And remember, we are here to support you in any way that we can.
Hey, welcome. I'm Miss Verno, the curriculum coordinator at Alice Drive Middle. Come on in. I'll be here to help you throughout this school year with any questions you have about your child's curriculum or anything else that you may need me for. You can call me at the school number, and I'm extension 118. It's going to be a great year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Russell, the nurse for Alice Drive Middle School. We are off to a great year. We want to keep our children safe. We're trying to follow all of our safety protocols. Please help us do that by keeping your kids at home if they are sick. If you do feel the need to get your children tested for COVID, please keep them at home until you receive a result, whether it be positive or negative. If you let the school know, those days will not count against the children if they are waiting on a result. But just help us to follow that and have a great year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sharon. I teach 6th grade math here at Alice Drive Middle School. This is my 15th year teaching, and I absolutely love my job. I'm so thankful that we have students back inside of the classroom this year, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Parents, anytime you have any questions about anything, even if it's about math, fine. If it's about anything else, please don't hesitate to email me. You can also send me messages through Schoology, through your students' accounts. But anytime you ever have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to working with your student this year, and I also look forward to meeting you at some time in the future.
Hi, my name is Ms. Harden. I am the 6th grade math honors teacher this year. We are currently discussing division of fractions and mixed numbers. Throughout the year, we're going to go through ratios, expressions, equations, and a little bit of geometry. And I am so excited to teach all this material to your children this year.
Hello, good evening. My name is Angela Adams, and I teach 6th grade math, 6th and 7th grade math assist, as well as the STEM pilot program here at Alice Drive Middle School. I encourage you and your student to reach out to me via phone or email concerning behavior, grades, and assignments. I look forward to the school year and the progress that I hope we can make in math, as well as getting to know you and your child.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Smith, and I teach ELA, 6th grade ELA here at Alice Drive Middle School, and I'm so excited to meet everyone. Right now, we are using our nonfiction text. We are studying The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, and we're looking at plot, setting, character traits. We just finished up a really fun unit with the librarian where we did STEM activities, where we had a chance to tour Africa through a virtual reality tour and actually build windmills similar to what William used for his windmill, so that was really fun. And so we have a lot of examples of that we'll be putting around our classroom. Eventually we're going to move into other genres such as fiction and poetry and fantasy genres. We're also going to move into the writing part of our unit, where we will be doing writer's workshop, where students will get to practice collaborative writing and different types of writing styles. They'll be able to write, edit, and publish their own writing using technology and other different and fun writing enhancements. We're also looking at grammar, and students are studying capitalization, punctuation, looking at nouns and pronouns and homophones, and lots of fun grammar practice with that. We do daily grammar every day, where we challenge students to find mistakes in writing samples, whether they're sentences or paragraphs. So we have lots in store for this year as we continue to challenge our students and enhance their reading and writing skills. I look forward to seeing everyone. Thank you, and having an awesome year.
Hi, I'm Miss Davis, and I teach 6th grade ELA here at Alice Drive Middle School. I just wanted to welcome you to our classroom this year. We have started off strong with a novel study. We've been doing The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, which we've been able to integrate skills, reading skills such as context clues, vocabulary, point of view, and a whole list of others, as well as introducing STEM with our school, in our school. So I am looking forward to working with your child the rest of the school year. We're going to be using lots of different books and novels and short stories to integrate skills through reading. So if you need anything, please call me or email me. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Miss Browder. I teach 6th grade science. I'm a graduate from the University of South Carolina, and this is my 4th year teaching, but my first year at Alice Drive Middle School, and I'm so excited to be a Hawk. We have 4 areas of study in science: weather, energy, plants, and animals are saved for last. Let's have a great year and go Hawks.
Hello, I am Mr. Kirkhart. I teach 6th grade world civilizations here at Alice Drive Middle. 6th grade social studies will look at the history, the social organization, religion, economics, and geography of several major civilizations that have existed over the last 6,000 years. We will start with the earliest civilizations in the river valleys, and then transition to the classical civilizations and the cultures of the medieval period, and then the European Renaissance. We'll learn and we'll move into the modern area, looking at how science and technology have developed and changed our way of life. I'm so glad to have our children back in school, and I'm looking forward to another great year at the Nest.
Hey, I'm Kelly Mills. I teach 6th grade social studies at Alice Drive Middle School and 6th grade AVID. 6th grade social studies is going to concentrate on our world civilizations, and AVID is a readiness course to help our students get organized. Please call the school or email me if you ever have any comments or concerns. I look forward to a great year with you and your students.
Hi, I'm Ms. Kerman. I teach 6th grade social studies and personal finance. This year in social studies, we are going to be going over all of world history, focusing on history from the very first civilizations to modern day history. And in personal finance, I'm going to be teaching students how to manage their money and make the best decisions that they can. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email me, as I am always happy to help. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone and getting to know you. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Bear. I'm the orchestra teacher here at Alice Drive Middle School. In beginning class, we focus primarily on learning the basics of an instrument, obviously, but more importantly, setting a firm foundation for long-term growth. We're always focused on how what we're learning right now is going to affect the long term, and maybe by the end of middle school and into high school and beyond. I always teach my students based on a 7-year projection of where they will be in 7 years, not necessarily where they'll be at the end of the first year. So you may hear a little scratching, a little some things that aren't the most pleasant of sounds in the beginning, but I assure you by the end of this year, you'll see a tremendous amount of growth with your student.
Hello, my name is Joseph Benninger and I'm the band teacher here at Alice Drive Middle School. In band class, we work on things such as leadership skills, literacy, and critical thinking, all through the medium of instrumental music performance.
Hello, my name is Ayana Tyler and I am the general music and choral teacher here at Alice Drive Middle School. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to teach your children music this year. I'm someone who has always been passionate about music, so for me to be able to share the joy of music I have with your students is such a blessing to me. This year, some of the things we'll be learning in class is how to familiarize ourselves with note and pitch recognition, the values of those notes, and how to notate them individually on our own. We'll also discuss in class essential music terminology such as dynamics, articulations, and tempo, all very important things that we should learn in music. I am very, very excited about this school year. I'm looking forward to having fun in music, and I hope that your child enjoys being in here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shannon Hannaford. I teach 6th grade physical education and health. This year we will be focusing on the fitnessgram assessments along with exercise-based activities that are fun and engaging for students.
Hi, my name is Lori Link and I teach digital literacy here at Alice Drive Middle School. In digital literacy, students will learn about the computer, how it works, and the different components that make up the computer. They will also learn about the Google apps that are available to them and how to use each one of those apps. Then at the end of semester, students will learn about careers that will be available to them based on their interest. All of these skills will be helpful for them in succeeding in school and in life. I look forward to working with each of your students and hope that you all have a great semester here at Alice Drive Middle School. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hoffman, the art teacher at Alice Drive Middle. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade art. Throughout the semester, students will learn a variety of drawing techniques, use different drawing and painting mediums, and learn about the elements and principles of design, along with various artists and art styles. I look forward to having a great year.
Hello, my name is Miss Franklin. I'm from Alice Drive Middle School. I am the study hall interventionist. It is a pleasure to have your child in my class.
Hey everyone, my name is Craig Bagwell. This is my 15th year in education and I am one of the STEM teachers here at Alice Drive Middle School. I'm teaching the STEM cybersecurity classes this year and it's a new endeavor by the district in conjunction with Morris College and the military at Shaw. It is an initiative to introduce cybersecurity to our students. We are pioneering this endeavor here at Alice Drive Middle School for the entire district, and the students are having fun with it. We're talking about what cybersecurity is, why it's important, how students can apply it, and we also discuss options to pursue cybersecurity as a profession and how cybersecurity professionals are highly sought after as well as highly paid. I know we didn't get to physically meet today, but I'm glad we're able to start the conversation. If you have any questions or any need of something that pertains to your child, please let me know. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Have a blessed day.
Hi, I am Aaron J. Koga, academic prep teacher in 6th grade level here in Alice Drive Middle. We have a lot of things that we are going to explore in our class. We will read mystery stories, solve math problems, and talk about your career of interest. I'm looking forward for a great year. Be the best you can be.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Snyder, one of the Project Lead the Way teachers. Project Lead the Way is an activity, project, and problem-based STEM curriculum that empowers students to become independent in the classroom and teaches them to collaborate with others while applying their skills to solve open-ended design problems. I teach 2 different courses, and each of them lasts 1 semester. The first course, the Science of Technology, actually has 3 different courses within it. It focuses on 3 fields: applied chemistry, applied physics, and one of the newer engineering fields, nanotechnology. The second course is the magic of electrons. There, we examine what makes electricity possible, both static and current electricity, and we design circuits to solve problems, as well as learning to generate our own electricity.
Hi, my name is Alvin Carter. I am the French Computer Lab Manager. The student will log into Duolingo for the classroom assignment and work independently and have a great school year.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Clark and I'm a STEM Go Green teacher at Alice Drive Middle School. I'm excited this year to work with your students hands-on in the classroom with many activities that are based off their science and their math classes, as well as being able to go outside and work with the greenhouse and planting fresh vegetables and learning about the plants and water cycles and things like that. I hope to be able to work with all our students and create a fun learning environment. And have them have the ability to come home and talk to you guys about cool things that we've been able to do in class. So if you ever have questions, need help, or have any concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. And I look forward to getting to know your students throughout the year.
Hello, my name is Tamiko Wilson, and this is my 3rd year here at Alice Drive Middle School. I teach CSI as well as medical detectives. Some of the topics that will be discussed in CSI are fingerprinting, how to appropriately search and photograph crime scenes, how to use deductive reasoning to solve crimes, as well as participate in various mock crime scenes. For medical detectives, which is a Project Lead the Way course, my students will learn how to collect and analyze medical data, and with that data, they'll learn how to diagnose diseases. They'll learn how to take vital signs, how to plate and grow bacteria, as well as the fun thing that all students love. They will get to perform a sheep brain dissection. I am looking forward to the new experiences this school year will bring. Thank you.